The world of AI is moving so fast. Every day there's something new and it's really hard to keep up, but we try. Welcome to Digital Toolcase and to this new episode of AI Tools Breaking News. Today, I have a lot of things to show you very briefly, so stay with me until the end of this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because in this episode, I'll be talking about AI writing tools. We have some updates about Agility Writer, Frase 2.0, SEOWriting AI, Journalist AI, ZimmWriter, and Katteb. Then, we'll discuss AI audio tools, especially ElevenLabs and Popop AI. I'll also introduce you to an interesting new competitor of Suno AI, which lets you earn money with AI-generated music. And then, we'll cover some interesting updates about AI-generated images, but let's jump right into it. Let's start with Agility Writer, which, as you know, is one of my absolute favorite AI writing tools. Agility Writer recently released several updates, with the most significant being the topical map generator. But that's not the only update. As you can see in the Facebook group, there's a new integration with Zapier. However, the most important update is the topical map feature, which is available under the Premium Tools section. So, step 1 is generating a new topical map. You'll need to fill in fields like the main topic, the type of topical map or website, coverage area, which can be localized, language, region, and of course, the AI model. From here, it takes just a minute to generate the topical map. It's really interesting because, as you can imagine, the topical map helps increase your website's authority by allowing you to create many articles around a specific topic. Step 2 is understanding the topical map. Here's the result. It's divided into various sections, a main section, and supplementary articles to support the main section. You can also localize it with specific content or articles based on prepositions to answer users' questions. The best part is that once the topical map is created and reviewed, you can go ahead and generate the articles. Step 3 is using the topical map to create articles and, if you want, even automatically publish them on your website. This feature is only available if you have an Agility Writer subscription. And if you want to try it or buy a subscription, I have a special discount code in the description that gives you 10% off and some extra credits for your first usage period. Since this feature is very important, I'll probably make a dedicated video in the next few days on this channel. So click and subscribe now. It's time to talk about Frase. I recently showcased some updates on the upcoming Frase 2.0. There's a lot of excitement in the Facebook group lately because the legacy version is going away in a few weeks or months, and the group is buzzing with discussions on which features users want to prioritize in Frase 2.0. There's a poll, lots of feedback, and a webinar comparing the legacy version with 2.0. You can find the replay of this webinar on the Frase YouTube channel if you want to understand the differences between 2.0, Frase Legacy, and Frase 2.0. In recent days, they finally added integration with Google Search Console, so you can analyze your website data once again using Google Search Console. Here's an example. They're also reintroducing the split screen view, like in the legacy version, and adding the ability to insert instructions into headers in the outline. Frase 2.0 is becoming more similar to the legacy version in terms of features, and once that's done, they'll implement many new features. Some really interesting updates are coming next year. In the meantime, if you want to try Frase, here are the available plans. There's also a free trial. You can find the link in the description and more videos on my channel about Frase. Once the official version 2.0 is released, I'll definitely update you with a new review. Moving on to SEOWriting AI. There are some updates to talk about that were introduced over the last few months. First, let me remind you that I have a nice discount in the description if you want to use this AI writing tool. In September, they released a new syndication feature. What's it for? It allows you to share your SEOWriting AI-generated articles on social media directly from the platform. At the end of September, there were several updates, including improvements in internal linking and smarter external links. You can now exclude specific websites. The Connect to Web feature was also upgraded. Now you always have the Always Deep Web option active, as the basic version that produced shallow results was removed. Both the Humanizer tool and the Humanize Text feature were also updated to remove complex words and make your content more human and easier to understand. Again, there's a great discount for SEOWriting AI in the description. It's an excellent AI writing tool that you can try with a free plan. There are also a few updates for Journalist AI. I've made a couple of videos about this AI writing tool. which is very effective because it allows you to automatically create and manage your blog. You have the option of subscribing to monthly or yearly plans. Or you can go for the pay-as-you-go option, where you buy credits when you need them. This costs slightly more per article, but could be the best choice in some cases. The latest updates came in August 2024. For example, you can now generate ALT tags with the AI SEO editor, and you can also add YouTube channels to your knowledge base, your data and documents that the AI can use. Now, the images generated in the AI SEO editor are free, which is very interesting. Another free feature in Journalist AI is Auto-Translate, which allows you to translate your articles into any language you prefer. You can now also apply a filter for the latest news in your sources, which helps you create fresher content. This is Journalist AI. As you can see, it has a lot of features, including the AI SEO editor, SEOWriter, NewsWriter, listicle generator, YouTube, video to blog, Amazon product reviews, autoblog, autolinking, keyword monitors, social syndication, and automatic indexer. The link is in the description, and if you use my link, you'll get an extra 10% of credits each month. A quick note about ZimmWriter. I released a video a few days ago where I specifically talked about the end of the lifetime deal for ZimmWriter at the end of 2024. Remember to check out the video, which you can find in the description or by clicking here. There's also a recent update for Katteb. I received an email just a few days ago announcing this new feature, an improvement in the fact-checking tool. As you can see, now, once you've written something in Katteb, you can use the fact-checking tool to verify whether it's factual or something made up by the AI. The email also mentioned a special launch discount for this new feature. I'm not sure if it's still available at the time of this video, but you can check by clicking the link in the description. You'll also find many other videos on my channel specifically about Katteb. Katteb offers several tools, including the one-click article writer, Amazon Writer, YouTube Writer, URL Writer, a chat section, and a design section to generate images. Plus, it's a very affordable tool. Right now, there's a promotion for an annual unlimited subscription for just $45. If I'm not mistaken, this tool is still available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, so check all the links in the description. Now let's move on to updates in AI audio tools. Just a few days ago on my channel, I released a video where I showed you how to clone your voice with ElevenLabs and earn some money by sharing it with the community. Go check out that video. But the real news from ElevenLabs in recent days is the new voice design feature.
Now you can create any voice simply by typing a text description.
Aye, lad, there's magic in these old bones yet.
Or how about the voice of an angry ogre?
Get out of my way if you know what's good for you.
Or maybe you want a cute little sassy mouse.
Watch out, Midworld! I'm small, but I'm mighty.
And this is just one interesting example in the world of AI voice generators. Getting started with ElevenLabs is very easy and even free because there's a free plan with 10,000 credits each month. The starter plan costs only $5 a month. But if you want to professionally clone your voice and earn some money, you'll need at least the Creator plan. Check out my dedicated video if you're interested. A few weeks ago, I made a video about Popop AI, a completely free website with some fun tools you can use online. In this case, let me tell you right away, it's not for professional use. I showed you the AI sound effects generator for creating sound effects quickly using simple prompts. But now, Popop AI has added more free features. One fun feature is the ability to generate covers of your songs or audio using clones of famous voices like Taylor Swift, Billie Eilish, Bruno Mars, or even Donald Trump. There's also a section dedicated to an AI vocal remover. You can create karaoke versions of your audio files by removing the vocals. There's also an a cappella extractor which works similarly, allowing you to isolate the vocals from the music. And then there's AI text-to-speech. You have a few free voices available in all languages with some limitations, of course. Let me emphasize that this is not a professional tool, but if you need something quick and simple, you can use these AI-generated voices for free on Popop AI. Now it's time for music. I'm sure you know Suno, probably the most famous AI for generating music, and when I say music, I mean actual songs. But I'm not going to talk about Suno. Instead, I want to tell you about its likely main competitor called Mureka. Mureka is very interesting because it lets you do the same things with similar quality, but it also allows you to monetize your AI-generated music. Yes, that's right. As you can see, the interface is very similar to Suno AI. You have a basic version and an advanced version where you can provide your instructions or enter a prompt. With a free account, you get 6 credits per day, so you can generate up to 6 songs daily. These are the subscription plans. There's no affiliate link here. I'm just showing you this tool because I find it very interesting. The prices are similar to those of Suno, but as I mentioned, Mureka also offers the opportunity to monetize your songs. If you're good at generating them, you can sell them directly on their platform. Mureka has an internal store where people can buy your AI-generated songs. For example, you can sell a non-exclusive use license for $4.90 or even an exclusive license for $29.90. So, this is a new earning opportunity with AI-generated music directly on the platform. We'll have to see how many people are interested in buying these songs. The last part of this AI tools breaking news is dedicated to images. The most significant update in recent days involves Ideogram AI, which is currently the best site for generating images with text that is 100% accurate. They introduced a new canvas feature. This feature acts as a full image editor within the platform. When you generate one or more images, they appear inside the canvas, and as you can see, you can move these images around, remix them, extend them, or edit them. Does this canvas feature remind you of something? Maybe something you've seen on my channel before? Exactly, it's similar to ArtSpace AI. ArtSpace has also had this canvas feature for a while now. I'll make a video in the next few days showing you how to create the most realistic possible images with people in them. So subscribe to the channel to watch that video. But what's important is that you'll find the full review of ArtSpace AI on my channel. And hurry, because the lifetime deal is still available, which means you can have ArtSpace forever at a really low price. For example, the lowest plan costs only $67 at the moment and allows you to generate 500 images per month. If you need more, the prices go up slightly to $117, $187, or $247 for unlimited images. But remember, it's a one-time payment, so you'll own it for life. Within ArtSpace, you can use various AI models, which I'll show you in the video I'll make in a few days. And while it's true that Ideogram is very effective and a great service, it doesn't have a lifetime deal. You're required to pay for it month by month, and if you use it long-term, it'll obviously cost much more. We've reached the end of this episode of AI Tools Breaking News. I hope I showed you lots of interesting updates. There are many more because in the world of AI, there are truly tons of new things every day. Subscribe to the channel to catch the next videos, and if you enjoyed this one, give it a like. Thanks for staying with me until the end, and as always, I'll see you here on Digital Toolcase in the next video.